Hello everyone, welcome back to Insightedge Labs. As we have already started our new series to discuss recently asked question in Power BI PL-300 certification exam. So after completion of this particular series, you will have that confidence about how they ask question in Power BI PL-300 certification exam and how to solve those questions. So let's continue with our next question. To solve this question, they have given you the scenario. A user creates a Power BI report that named as report A. That uses custom theme. You create dashboard named as dashboard A. You need to ensure that dashboard A usage the custom theme. The solution must minimize the development effort. In short, you have report A from which you have to copy the custom theme and you have to apply that particular custom theme to the dashboard A. But there is one condition, that development should minimize the effort. On the basis of this particular scenario, they have given you this question: which two action should you perform? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Also along with that, they have given you the note as well. Each correct selection is worth of 1 point. So it means that you have to select multiple steps here. It means that this question comes from multiple selection question. So first option they have given you, publish report A to Power BI. Second one, from report A save custom theme. Third one, publish report A to Microsoft Power BI community theme gallery. Fourth one, from dashboard A create custom theme. Fifth one, from dashboard A upload a JSON theme. So these are the options they have given you. To understand this particular question or to understand this particular scenario in better way, I will take you through the practical demonstration first. So see here, I have this report A where it uses custom theme. So to copy this custom theme, I will first go to the view. I will click on this drop down arrow and here you will be able to see save current theme. So I will save this particular theme and it will save one JSON file for you. So I will click on save, and if I want to show you that particular file, so see, this is the file which just now we have saved. If I open that particular file, so it has created one file which contain key and value pair. So in the key, let's say for example data colors, it has saved all the colors which we have used in that particular custom theme in the form of hex number. So to apply this particular theme to any dashboard or to any report, now I will show you how to apply that particular file to this particular report B. Again I will click on this view, I will click on this drop down arrow. You will able to see this browse for the theme. Click on that and choose the file which we have saved, that is nothing but the JSON file. I will click on that particular file and I will click on open. Now see, that particular file or that particular theme has applied to this particular report B. So see here, this particular theme is applied. So this is the way how you can apply any custom theme from any report or from any dashboard. So what we have done, we have first saved that particular current theme, that is nothing but option B from report A, and then we have applied that particular theme by using that particular JSON file to dashboard or to particular report. So these are the two steps which we have followed to copy the custom theme from report A in the form of JSON. Then we have uploaded that particular JSON file to a report or to dashboard to copy that particular custom theme. So our correct answer will be B and E. So step which we have followed, we have firstly saved that particular theme in the form of JSON file. Then we have uploaded that particular file to any report or to any dashboard. So these are our correct answers. If you found this video helpful, then you can check out other tutorials on our YouTube channel and make sure you have subscribed to our YouTube channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you with the next question.